Now I am going to start introductions of grammar. व्याकरण क्या है? Grammar is the backbone of any language. Similarly, without grammar, you can't speak proper and good English language. व्याकरण भाषा का एक तरीका है जो आपको सिखाता है कि भाषा को किस तरह से बोला जाए. Now one question is there, what is grammar? It's a very simple answer. Grammar denotes, guides, indicates how to listen correctly, how to speak correctly, how to read correctly, how to write correctly. कैसे सही सुने, कैसे सही बोलें, कैसे सही पढ़ें और कैसे सही लिखें. The language has their 4 parts: listening, speaking, reading, writing, and grammar makes how to use it correctly. There are 5 parts of grammar. व्याकरण के 5 प्रकार होते हैं. First, orthography. Second, etymology. Third, syntax. Fourth, punctuation. Fifth, prosody. In Hindi, orthography called Bर्ण विचार, etymology called शब्द विचार, syntax called वाक्य विचार, punctuation called चिन्ह विचार, prosody called छंद विचार. Now, first, orthography, वर्ण विचार. In this part, we study about alphabets and letters. There are 26 alphabets in English called orthography. इस भाग में हम अक्षर और अक्षरों के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, उदाहरण के तौर पे हम इंग्लिश में लिखावट के तौर पे लिखते हैं कैपिटल लेटर, स्मॉल लेटर एंड कर्सिव लेटर. लिखावट के 3 प्रकार होते हैं: कैपिटल, स्मॉल, कर्सिव. बड़ा अक्षर, छोटा अक्षर, घुमावदार अक्षर. There are 3 types of letter writing are uses in English. Now, we are talking about the alphabets. There are 2 parts of alphabets. Vowels, first, consonant, second. Vowels को हिंदी में स्वर कहते हैं और कॉन्सोनेंट्स को हिंदी में व्यंजन कहते हैं. There are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U, and there are 21 letters, consonants: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, these all are the classifications of alphabets. Why this classification is required? In the future, this classification will allow you to understand the form of article, where to apply A, where to apply N, where to apply D, according to the sounds of vowels and consonants. A and N or D can be uses before the words. Now I am talking about the second part of grammar, that is etymology. शब्द विचार. In this part, we study about word and words called etymology. इस भाग में हम शब्द और शब्दों के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, जिसे हम शब्द विचार कहते हैं. What is word? शब्द क्या है? A group of alphabets and letters which give complete meaning or meaningful sense is called words. अक्षरों के समूह को शब्द कहते हैं. Example: apple, beautiful, elephant, fan, eyes. These all are the words, combinations of alphabets. Now, the third part of grammar, that is syntax, वाक्य विचार. In this part, we study about sentence and sentences called syntax. इस भाग में हम वाक्य और वाक्यों के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, जिसे वाक्य विचार कहते हैं. Now, question is, what is sentence? वाक्य क्या है? It's a very simple answer. A group of words which give complete meaning or meaningful sense is called sentence. शब्दों के समूह को वाक्य कहते हैं, जिसके द्वारा अर्थपूर्ण वाक्य का पता चले. Example, Sita is a beautiful girl. He plays in the ground, etc. Fourth part is the punctuation, चिन्ह विचार. In this part, we study about sign of mark. इस भाग में हम चिन्ह के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. Example, full stop, comma, dash, slash, interrogation, exclamation, etc. The main marks of punctuation are full stop, comma, questions mark, exclamation mark, questions mark, capital letter, small letter. Now, without these all signs, we can't write any sentences according to the norm of books. So, this is a very essential to understand the sign of mark that comes under the punctuation. Now, fifth part of grammar, prosody, छंद विचार. In this part, we study about stanza, paragraph, sort of story, books, novel, etc. called prosody. इस भाग में हम स्टेंजा, पैराग्राफ, छोटे कहानी, किताब, नॉवेल के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. Now friends, I would like to say these all are real things of grammar. I have not given any kinds of the definition. This is the simple of understanding about grammar. Now, I'm giving you a simple example. If I want to start to write any book, the starting letter would be the alphabets. With the help of alphabets, words would be created. With the help of words, sentence would be created. Sentence can't be right without sign of mark. For example, full stop, comma, apostrophe. With the help of these punctuation signs, we write stanza, paragraph, novel, story. This is the all about story of grammar. We are going to study the next chapter, which is parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Answer. Words are divided into different parts according to their uses is called parts of speech. शब्दों को अलग अलग भागों में बांटा गया है. इसके प्रयोग के अनुसार से उसे parts of speech कहते हैं. There are 8 parts of speech. Parts of speech के 8 प्रकार होते हैं. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. First, noun को हिंदी में संज्ञा कहते हैं. Second, pronoun को हिंदी में सर्वनाम कहते हैं. Third, adjective को हिंदी में विशेषण कहते हैं. Fourth, verb को हिंदी में क्रिया कहते हैं. Fifth, adverb को क्रिया विशेषण कहते हैं. Sixth, preposition को संबंध सूचक अव्यय कहते हैं. Seventh, conjunction को संयोजक कहते हैं और इंटरजेक्शन को विस्मय बोधक और विस्मयाधि बोधक अव्यय कहते हैं। नाउ द डेफिनेशन ऑफ नाउन। फर्स्ट, नाउन इज अ नेमिंग वर्ड और नाउन इज अ वर्ड which give meaning of name or person, place, things, etc. is called noun. किसी व्यक्ति, नाम या स्थान को नाउन कहते हैं। एग्जाम्पल, राम, सीता, खुशी, मुंबई, गंगा, etc. For example of in sentence form, Sita is a girl, Khushi is a happy girl. In the first sentence, Sita is a noun. Second sentence, Khushi is the noun. Now I can give you the more example. The teacher teaches. Teacher is the name of person. Second, this is a school. The word school is the name of place. The tiger roared. Tiger is the name of animal. That is train. Train is the name of thing. So teacher, school, tiger and train are naming words. So they are called noun. Second, pronoun. Sarvanam. A pronoun is a word which come instead of noun is called pronoun. Noun के बदले में जो आता है उसे pronoun कहते हैं. A pronoun is a word used for in place of noun. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, etc. are pronouns. Example, this is Sonam. She is my classmate. She is the pronoun. This is Madhav. He is very nice. He is the pronoun. These are Ankit and Gaurav. They are close friend. They is pronoun. This is Miss Nandini. She is our class teacher. She is the pronoun. There is a ball under the tree. It is mine. It is the pronoun. Now third, adjective. Visheshan. An adjective is a word which gives quality of noun and pronoun is called adjective. जो संज्ञा और सर्वनाम का विशेषता बतलाता है उसे एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, गुड, ब्यूटिफुल, हैप्पी, etc. In the form of sentence, Sita is a beautiful girl. Beautiful is an adjective. Khushi is a happy girl. Instead of Khushi, name, we can use she is a happy girl. So she and Khushi gets appreciated with the way of happy. Beautiful. These all are the adjective. For example, in the more forms you can go, this is very heavy. Second example, the black car is ours. Third example, the old woman in my aunt. Fourth, Ramu is a dirty boy. Fifth, honey is sweet. The monkey has a long tail. Deepika is a clever girl. Ashok was a king. So in these sentences, heavy, black, old, dirty, sweet, long, clever, king, these all are the adjective. Fourth part of parts of a speech, that is verb. Kriya. In the simple way, verb is an action word or verb is a word used to express an action is called verb. जिससे किसी काम का पता चलता है उसे वर्ब कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, प्ले, रन, गो, डू, etc. In the form of sentence, Sita is singing a song. Singing is a verb. Khushi is playing in the ground. Playing is the verb. Bird fly. Birds flies. The boy sleeps. The boy swim. The sun shines. The dog barks. Fire burns. These all are the verb. Fly, sleeps, swim, shine, bark, burn. Fifth, adverb. Adverb is an word which adds quality of verb and adjective is called verb. जो क्रिया और विशेषण का विशेषता बतलाता है उसे एडवर्ब कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, हैप्पी, वेरी हैप्पी. गुड, वेरी गुड. क्विक, क्विकली. करेक्ट, करेक्टली. लाउड, लाउडली. ग्रेस, gracefully. Suddenly, finally. These all are the adverb. Radha sang sweetly. In sentence, sweetly is the adverb. The kids love playing together. So together is the adverb. His jokes are always very funny. Very is an adverb. She was walking rapidly. Rapidly is the adverb. Please come inside now. Now is adverb. You don't really care. Really is an adverb. 6. Preposition. संबंध सूचक अव्यय. A preposition is a word which gives relation between one word to another word or one sentence to another sentence is called preposition. जिससे किसी संबंध का पता चलता है उसे preposition कहते हैं. Example, in, on, by, at, of, near, upon, under, etc. In the sentence form, she plays in the ground. In is preposition. Book is on the table. On is preposition. The doctor is in his clinic. In is preposition. Many patients are sitting on the benches. On is preposition. The doctor is talking to the nurse. To is preposition. All the patients go to the doctor's cabin in turn. In is a preposition. Some students sat under a tree. Under is a preposition. My uncle is sitting by my aunt. By is a preposition. 7th, conjunction. Sanyojak. A conjunction is a word which adds one word to another word and one sentence to another sentence is called conjunction. जो दो शब्दों और वाक्यों को जोड़ता है उसे conjunction कहते हैं. Example, and, but, etc. Ram and Shyam are playing in the ground. Neeta goes to school. Meeta goes to school. If we say in this form, it would be not a conjunction. We can say in the form of conjunction, Neeta and Meeta go to school. To join the sentence, and. Raju is tall, Rohan is taller. No. We can say Raju is tall, but Rohan is taller. To join the different things, but is conjunction. So in the form of conjunction, we can say and, but, because, when, if, so, yet, as, since. These all are the conjunction. Now, 8th part of parts of a speech. Interjection. Bismay bodhak. An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling. Surprise is called interjection. जिससे हर्ष और विस्मय का पता चलता है उसे इंटरजेक्शन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, exclamation, hurrah, hip hip, alas, these all are the signs of exclamation. We can write with the help of exclamatory sign, interjection. These all are the simple way to understand parts of a speech. Friends, you need to understand one thing. This 8 parts of a speech, these are classified in the different form. If you are going in the depth of parts of a speech, if you are thinking depth in the parts of a speech, then a noun has a different parts, noun has a 5 parts, pronoun has a different parts, adjective has a different part. So in this chapter, we are not going to study more about parts of a speech. To become a speaker of English, पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, व्यक्तिवाचक सर्वनाम. पर्सन, व्यक्ति. Now, we need to understand how many kinds of person on that we need to become a speaker of English. So it's very simple, very precise. We need to understand it. पर्सन को हिंदी में व्यक्ति कहते हैं. देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ पर्सन. व्यक्ति के 3 प्रकार होते हैं. फर्स्ट पर्सन, प्रथम व्यक्ति. सेकेंड पर्सन, द्वितीय व्यक्ति. थर्ड पर्सन, तृतीय व्यक्ति. एज अ डेफिनेशंस, आई कैन टेल यू अबाउट द फर्स्ट पर्सन. प्रथम व्यक्ति. स्पीकर कॉल्ड फर्स्ट पर्सन. बोलने वाले को फर्स्ट पर्सन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, आई, वी. हिंदी में आई को मैं कहते हैं और वी को हम और हम लोग कहते हैं. फर्स्ट पर्सन रेफर्स टू द स्पीकर. इट यूजेस द सब्जेक्ट pronoun I unless plural first person. Example, I prefer coffee to hot cocoa. In this example, I am the speaker. This is a first person. So in first person, simply we need to understand I and we. Second person, द्वितीय व्यक्ति. लिसनर कॉल सेकेंड पर्सन. सुनने वाले को सेकेंड पर्सन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू, योर. तुम, आप. तुम लोग, आप लोग. Second person refers to the addressee. The use of subject pronoun you. You prefer coffee to hot cocoa. In this example, you is the addressee. The speaker is addressing you. This is second person. So you and your is a second person. Now third person. About whom we talk, speak, call third person. जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं उसको थर्ड पर्सन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, he, she, it, this, that, name, they, those, these. हिंदी में समझने के लिए, he, वह. For male, she, वह. For female, it, meaning यह. For little, small. This, meaning यह. Indicate near. That means वह, indicate far. Name, any person name. They, वे और वे लोग. Those, वो और वो लोग. These, ये और ये लोग. Third person refers to a third party individual. It uses the subject pronouns he, she, it, they. So these all are the types of person.